Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 1/4 impact driver is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools in any workshop or toolbox, perfectly balancing portability with impressive torque for tackling a wide array of fastening tasks. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, choosing the right 1/4 impact driver can significantly impact your efficiency and project outcomes. This in-depth review will help you navigate the market and find the perfect tool to match your needs and budget. Number 5. Milwaukee 2953-20 Impact Driver. This impact driver is designed to boost your productivity. Its speed is unmatched, without compromising power or control. Experience the fastest driving speed in its class. It's perfect for any job site. The smooth acceleration ensures precision. It prevents screw stripping and material damage. The Tri-LED lighting system provides exceptional workspace visibility, even in low-light conditions. It offers 4 different drive modes to tackle any fastening task with ease and precision. It delivers 2000 Nlbs of torque, making it powerful enough to handle even the toughest jobs. What we like. It boasts the fastest driving speed without compromising power or control. Its smooth acceleration prevents screw damage. If you need speed and precision for various tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. One of the most powerful impact drivers I have used. Selectable speed so you won't drive a screw through a board. It is a little heavier than other Milwaukee drivers, but that is not noticeable after using a few times. It is also more compact. Overall a great driver. This thing works really well and has plenty of TQ. Having said all that, this unit is absolutely the best hex driver I have ever used. Number 4. DEWALT DCF787D1 Impact Driver. This is the DEWALT 20V Max Impact Driver, a powerful tool built for efficiency and durability. It's perfect for a variety of tasks, both big and small. It features a brushless motor, giving you increased runtime and longer life. You'll get more done on a single charge. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle and maneuver, even in tight spaces. You can reach those hard-to-reach areas with ease. The bright LED light illuminates your work area, even in low-light conditions. And it stays on for 20 seconds after you release the trigger for added convenience. It's manufactured by DEWALT, a name you can trust for quality and reliability. It's built to withstand the toughest jobs. This kit comes complete with a battery and charger, so you're ready to work right out of the box. Get started on your projects immediately. What we like. This impact driver is compact and lightweight, perfect for tight spaces. The brushless motor ensures durability and long runtime. If you prioritize maneuverability in extended use, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It was amazing to me how much quicker and deeper this gun drove the screws than my traditional screw gun ever did, and consistently. Used this many times, for driving wood screws, drilling concrete, driving in masonry screws, nuts and bolts, and this compact tool worked perfectly for everything. It seems to have the power and torque to do everything very well. The 20V XR series tools and batteries provide a ton of power, and this impact driver is no different. Slap a quality number 2 Phillips bit on this and you can drive dozens of deck screws up to number 20 SS panhead screws and even moderate size lag bolts. Number 3. DEWALT DCF887B Impact Driver. This impact driver is built to last. Its brushless motor and XR Li-ion battery provide superior performance and runtime. It features 3 speeds for optimal versatility, allowing you to tackle any job with ease and precision. Speed 1 offers precision control for delicate tasks, while higher speeds handle tougher applications. 3 LEDs with a 20-second delay ensure you always have the best visibility, even in dimly lit spaces. The one-handed loading 1/4-inch hex chuck makes bit changes quick and easy. It accepts 1-inch bit tips. It's compact and lightweight, allowing you to easily maneuver it in tight spaces. Get the job done with comfort and efficiency. What we like. It offers 3 speeds for versatile applications, with a precision setting for delicate work. The bright LEDs illuminate your workspace effectively. If you need versatility and control for various applications, this is a great option. What people say. The DEWALT 20V Max XR Impact Driver, DCF887B, has exceeded my expectations in every way during my DIY testing. What stands out most is its power and efficiency. The brushless motor delivers consistent torque across 3 speed settings, allowing me to tackle a variety of tasks from driving screws into tough materials to delicate assembly work without a hitch. One thing to note is its compact size, which makes it incredibly maneuverable in tight spaces. The LED lights around the chuck are a thoughtful addition, illuminating the work area well, especially in dimly lit corners. This is all around just better than the older model I had. 3 LED lights is nice, the 3 speeds and self-tapper setting works great. Number 2. DEWALT DCF787C2 Impact Driver Kit. This impact driver kit is a powerful and versatile tool, perfect for a wide range of applications. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use, making your work easier. It features a brushless motor for exceptional performance and longer runtime. You'll get more done on a single charge. With 1,500 inch-pounds of torque, it easily handles tough jobs. It's got the power to tackle almost any fastening task. The built-in LED light illuminates your work area, even in low-light conditions. The 20-second delay ensures you have plenty of time to see what you're doing. The variable speed trigger gives you precise control for delicate work. You can easily adjust the speed to match the task at hand. This kit includes 2 batteries and a charger, so you're always ready to go. It's everything you need to get started right away. What we like. This model offers a powerful brushless motor and high torque for demanding jobs. The variable speed trigger provides precision control for delicate tasks. If you need power and control for a wide range of applications, consider this one. What people say. Lightweight and versatile. Used for putting up spouting and leaf guard. Has long battery life and charged quickly. I really like the quick connect chuck for 1 4-inch ease of use. No more slippage from slightly loose bits in normal chuck. The impact does a wonderful job of finishing a screw into tough wood. Nut driver is a real plus with this tool. Small size does not mean it can't perform heavy-duty tasks. It is up to the job. Comes with 20-watt battery and charger. Can also use those for heavier demand outside yard tools. Works just as it should with a convenient and sturdy storage bag. Number 1. Milwaukee M18 Impact Driver. This powerful tool is designed for efficiency and control. Its compact size and comfortable grip make it perfect for any job. See your work clearly, even in low-light conditions. The built-in LED lights illuminate your workspace. It features a textured rubber grip for superior handling, ensuring a secure hold even when things get slippery. Precise control is at your fingertips. Adjust the trigger pressure to match the power needed for the task. This innovative technology protects it from overheating, ensuring consistent performance and extending its lifespan. It's part of the M18 family, compatible with a range of lithium-ion batteries. Choose the battery that best suits your needs. What we like. This impact driver features bright LED lighting and a comfortable textured grip. The variable speed trigger allows for precise control. If you value comfort, control, and good visibility, this is a solid option. What people say. It had enough power to break loose most fasteners, even larger brake and suspension-related stuff, but it is easy to modulate, just like using a ratchet. Once you get a feel for it, it's easy to put consistent torque on a fastener. I use this tool on everything from tiny valve cover bolts to the occasional 1-ton bake caliper bracket bolts. The Milwaukee, I'm sure, is not alone in having some goodies which like handy pocket clip and a LED light, which is more than bring enough to see what you're doing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.